Hello coin engineer, welcome back again and again to our channel. Today we will discuss about the most popular, especially in nowadays and today's. So one of the most popular meme coin, Neiro. And then in this video, I can show you, I hope I will show and explain you how can you analysis a meme coins and its own their potential features. For example, in this video, like will happen in this video. For example, Neiro has a potential to being at the future, for example, at the next 1 or 2 years, or doesn't matter, 1.5 years. It can be the next bonk, or example of next Shiba or Pepe or Doge, maybe, why not? It can be do this or not. I mean, in this video, so short, I can say that I will show you and I will explain you how can do this, how can do analysis to see the future of any meme coin or any coins. Let's get started. First of all, you need to absolutely check. By the way, that's our Twitter account at Coin Engineers. You absolutely need to follow. For example, shortly, I want to take a look at our profile. There is a lot of news so actually, and that's the comments, that's the top gainers and some other things, everything we are bring you into the deal about the cryptocurrency market, and so fastly and quickly. It doesn't matter. First of all, we need to absolutely use Twitter, because first of all, if you want to see any meme coins feature and what can do at the future this meme coin, if you want to find the answer for this question, you absolutely need to take a look and scroll down a lot of times, many more times, at the Twitter. Because if you want to see the future of meme coin, you absolutely need to see at the background is located a lot of and huge and powerful and strong community or not. And community is located on the social media, and one of the social media, or the best social media at the cryptocurrency side, especially at the background of the community of the project, that is the Twitter, or Twitter is formally right now we are saying that X, like X. And for example, you need to first of all write Neiro, dollar icon and Neiro. We need to take a look. Is there any current post, social media post, for example, for hours, August 2, August 2, August 2. Right now we are 3rd August, and there are a lot of posts, and they have a lot of engagements. Engagements are so good. For example, minimum engagements is that, and just click the profile, and the profile is not so bad and has its own huge community. For example, right now we are seeing community which was located at the anime coin at the background, and that's a community, that's a strong community. Somebody doing technical analysis, somebody doing any news, for example, and comparing. Especially you need to, if you want to compare any meme coin, for example, one of the other meme coin at the Solana side is when Neiro, if I'm not mistaken, at the Ethereum, and then Solana had already released new meme coin at the Solana network. For example, when it also has its own huge community, and 1 hours later, 1 hours we had already told a lot of posting into the deal. 3 hours is also July 26th, January 26th, August 2, and July, and 19 hours. And engagement is so huge. That means when an Neiro has its own background, powerful and strong community, and then you can use some other social media tools to measure the power of social media engagements. For example, twitterscout.io you can use, and right now I don't want to take it so long this video, I mean, that's why I won't be able to show you, but absolutely you can do is just using Twitter and Twitter analysis. If you are seeing a lot of engagements within previously many more times into the many more times, that means yes, you current community and current supporters at the background of this project still alive and still so powerful, and you can use that. And yeah, and then you can take a look just whole statistics and whole details. First of all, Neiro Ethereum, high, low. There is no a lot of difference between the low and high points. All-time high a day ago, all-time low 5 days ago. It's not normal because first of all, the coin released it 5 days ago, if I'm not mistaken, and that's a Uniswap makes a big kit. For example, has its own huge potential Poloniex and Uniswap Wave 3. That means it's not so good statistics, but 5 days ago, for the coin which one released 5 days ago, it's also good. For example, just take a look, 24 hours, although that is the not so good result for listing markets, listing Ethereum markets. For example, centralized exchange, makes a big hit, Lbank, etc., Poloniex, they have not any huge community at decentralized exchange like Binance, KuCoin, Huobi, or others, OKX. But although that we are seeing volume for 24 hours, just 24 hours, that is 21 million and even 22 million dollars, American dollars for 24 hours volume. That's so huge, although this is just 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centralized exchange, and then Uniswap and SushiSwap version 3 is not so good. But in general, just 7 or 6 centralized and decentralized exchange, and we are seeing volume for 24 hours. Probably the hype can be helped, that can be make a reason to see that into the year, but it's still so huge, and the community has a so string. But into the long term, if we are seeing the volume for 24 hours is still alive, is still live, that means yes, the strong community at the same time, long term strong. It's not so for current time, for the specific time. That's so positive. And markets, we are taking a look, and news right now we are seeing a lot of news into the year, and yes, we need to answer this our question, which one you are seeing title of this video. Is Neiro can be new bonk? Probably yes. We can see the Neiro if you are seeing at the future a huge marketing or huge pumping or price up into the price graphic, into the tokens graphic. After that, you can absolutely take a look some other listings. For example, take a look just bonk statistics onto the market cap. Why central exchange, huge central exchange is listing bonk take all? For example, taking a look just 24 hours volume, 2 million, 3 million. There is no reason to listing by centralized exchange because there is no huge volume and huge commission. But take a look at even 400 million, and that's so huge. That's not a huge. And into the deer, it's also logic. It's also makes sense to listing at the Binance, at the KuCoin, because for example, click markets and Binance, just 24 hours, Binance can be earn money from bonk commissions from bank 24 hours volume. It can be equal minimum of $500, not $500, $50,000, and that's so huge for 24 hours. That's why the meme coin can be listed on. But right now, yeah, at the first time the bonk, we are seeing that it's also same with Neiro probably, and then if I'm not mistaken, January and probably 1 year there is no any high volumes for 24 hours, there is no high price up, there is no any pump, and that's why we are not seeing volume for 24 hours, and there is no hype at the bonk side. After that, you are seeing volume and price and market cap at the same time parallelly is just going up, it's just pumping. And then if I'm not mistaken, in the we saw Binance listing and some other tier 1 and tier 2 listing, and everybody knows about and discuss about the bonk, and that's why there's accruing a lot of volume, a lot of commission, and hype can be pump, hype can be a huge legend and myth, and that's why we are just need to see huge hype at the volume, especially volume is everything. Volume is the just one main reason to listing the token. There is not that's a meme coin, that's a AI token, that's a GameFi token. If you are seeing a lot of huge volume for 24 hours, that means the token can be listing on the centralized exchange, and that can be pump and price up hugely significantly into the graphic. That's it about that. Just use this method, just think like this, which one I discussed into this video. And yes, if you learned just from this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, smash the like button, join our Telegram, and follow our Twitter and Instagram. See you on the next watch time.